Hey folks, Jack Chapman with Auto Repair Shop Success. Today we're going to talk about performing. Performing is the final stage that we use in the Tuckman model when we do process implementation. It's the stage where we're firing on all cylinders and have pretty well mastered the process. Follow-up still needs to be happening, and of course we do want to track the progress that the process has made. But at this point, we should be performing. Now, this is also the stage at which we begin to start implementing the next process we want to work on. Thanks for tuning in over this series. I'm sure it will help you with your next process implementation. If you have any questions or you're looking for help, reach out to us. Continue to share these videos and join us on our socials or give us a call. And as always, we can't wait to see you.